false lashes all the time. Love false lashes. I love the dramatics of them. I love the ease of them. But I got into a situation where I guess I had kind of a reaction, maybe the glue or something. And so I stopped using them. Well, what was happening, I think in my sleep I would pick at them and they would come off with my eyelashes. And I got to where if I didn't have false lashes on, I really had almost no lashes. Like, they were so short. I was destroying my eyelashes with false lashes. And I think it was probably just what I was using. I know that there are a lot of people that have great success with false lashes. I love them. But I just thought, you know, I need to stop and give my eyelashes some time to regrow. And so I started by just digging a little bit in some DIY recipes to find how could I use essential oils to help my lashes grow. Well, I'll tell you what I did. I made something up, but then I would forget to use it. And so then I found another option that is actually a 2-in-1, a makeup remover and a lash growth serum. I use it much more consistently because I use it to take my mascara off. Now, I don't put makeup on every single day, but I still try. I put it right here at my sink, right in front of me. I still try to put it on because it's real moisturizing around the eyes as well. But at least I am using it more consistently since I'm using it as a makeup remover to remove my mascara. So I know that pictures, my lashes are super blonde, like you can't, they have mascara on them right now, but they're super light, and you probably can't notice the growth as much as I notice it just because they're my lashes, right? But there has been a tremendous change since I started using this, and I can't remember exactly when I started using it. I should have done like one eye, but I didn't. I didn't do any testing. I just know that now I have lashes and they're longer than they've ever been. And I have to credit it to my little eyelash growth serum, whatever you want to call it. So here it is. It's a super easy recipe. If you have oils, you can get them out, you can make it. I put it in a little dropper bottle, and then I just get just one drop. One drop usually does both eyes actually. Man, this should last me a very long time. But you're gonna need some castor oil. Now you want to shop around and kind of look at what you're getting. This is an organic castor oil I picked up at Walgreens in the beauty section. I had a horrible time finding castor oil. I was off in the digestive aisle. You want to be in the beauty section. And then you need 3 essential oils. You need rosemary, cedarwood, and then lavender. So lavender, cedarwood, and rosemary. It takes 3 drops of each for what I made right here. Now I tend to maybe, put a few more, but 3 drops of each in a little bottle like this. And then you're gonna top it off with your castor oil. And there it is. It's just that simple. I haven't done the math, but I would say that, this is probably less than $1 worth of stuff in here. And it will last for months. And for me, it's been very effective. It's really helped my lashes to grow. And it also conditions around my eyes. So it's a win-win in so many ways. There is no chemical or toxin side effect or hazard for my eyes. It's just pure, safe, affordable, and effective. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you try it or if you have tried it. And maybe you can do a test for me, like a before and after.